Nothing can happen better. I mean, this race, not just that I won it, I even went back into first position, leading the championship now. And I think it's a good sign, or a sign for the rest of the year. I hope, certainly, that Benetton come back. The car is performing better and better every time. And we are not finished yet. We still have a lot of programs in front of us, a lot of developments, but the car went so smoothly, so perfectly today that I have to make a big compliment to the team. They have had long nights, hard work over the last 3 races, but I think they deserved very much this victory now.
It's been a long time since I've been on a podium, so it was nice to get that feeling back again.
The last lap, did you see Damon Hill spin? Did you know what had happened?
Well, I just saw, and it looked as if maybe he was out of fuel or something. I just saw him going very slow, and then I just thought, well, I had quite a big grin as I went past. So, you know, it was nice. Everything went very well. The team has worked extremely hard during all the, you know, the winter months and everything. So they put a lot of work into it, and it's great that they've got a 1-2.
I wasn't very happy with my race. I had a bad start, and then I just couldn't get it right, and I just was driving it so good as I could and pushing, and I wasn't sure, is it better to go for 2 stops or 3 stops? So I was on the radio all the time, and finally I stopped 3 times, and I think in the position where I was wrong. I should stop twice, but anyway, I mean, I find myself on position 4, then the last laps, and I say, the race is finished in the last lap, and many times happen things like this. So I just keep pushing, and finally I found myself on the podium.